Hello, everyone, and do you love travel and want to turn a passion into a stream of income? Because today I am going to show you on how to make money with the Trip.com affiliate program. So, here, Trip.com is one of the world's largest online travel agencies, offering everything from flights and hotels to car rentals and tours. With their affiliate program, you can earn commissions by promoting travel products on your blog, YouTube channel, social media, or even through email newsletter. So here, in this detailed guide, we'll cover everything you need to know from signing up for the program to sharing affiliate links and maximizing your earnings. So either you're a travel blogger or someone looking to make a passive income, this tutorial is for you. So here, let's get started here. So of course, what is Trip.com affiliate program? So the Trip.com affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by sharing their travel deals with your audiences. And then when someone clicks on your affiliate links and make a booking, you earn a percentage of the sale. So here guys, it is free to join, and with a thousand of travel products available, there is no shortage of opportunities to earn here. So the best part here, you don't need to handle bookings or customer support because Trip.com take cares of it all while you collect commissions. So to get started, of course, you need to head over to the Trip.com affiliate program and of course click now. So and fill out the registration form. You'll need to provide details about your website, blog, or social media platforms and agree the program's terms and conditions. Here, let's take a closer look at the affiliate dashboard. Here you'll be able to find here. So this is your personal details, guys. So to start promoting, you can also see it here. Enter all the details here, guys. Here, once approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard where you can track your clicks, bookings, and the commissions here. So this is the business details, the personal details, of course, your name here. And here, your unique affiliate links and bonus, the performance reports, the conventions and the earnings, and then the marketing tools like widgets and the promotional banners. You'll be able to see this on the dashboard. So you can see here, you need to also have a code here, guys, and spend some time exploring these tools, guys. They are designed to help you promote Trip.com effectively. So to start promoting, you can go to the create link section of the dashboard and then select a product category such as flight, hotels, or the car rentals. And right after that one, you can copy your unique affiliate link and share it on your preferred platform. So as you can see here, so this part, and after that one, look for a country. So you can also customize your links, guys, for specific destinations or deals. So perfect for tailoring your promotions to your audience's interests. So here are some proven ways to promote your Trip.com travel blog. So you can write detailed guides and include links to recommended hotels or flight deals. You can also have your YouTube videos. So share affiliate links in your video. And then when reviewing destination, they will see your description. And then social media posts, of course, promote last minute travel deals or seasonal discounts. So remember, guys, to of course always disclose that you're using affiliate links. It builds trust with your audiences and complies with the regulations here. So in creating an account, guys, you need to have your second email account. So tap on that register the one. And what you need to do here is right after you register, guys, you need to have your own invite code, guys. So after that one is we need to go on this part. So let's go here on the dashboard. So here you can see here the month to date data from current month below 24 yesterday. So here you will be able to see here the number of bookings, the booking amount, the UV, and then the convention. So here you need to set your password. Then here you need to complete the profile and then to activate your account here. So here is the report. Please note that the booking report will be released on the day after the booking date. So, meaning it does not include bookings for the current date report, which has a 1 month validation window period and will only cover records for 1 month before the month report is issued. So going back here, you'll also be able to see here. So the incentive center. So this is where you'll be able to see the incentives in your website. And after that one is here is the affiliate link, guys. So trip.com affiliate links are redirection links that can directly access trip.com travel offers. So here you need to choose the page to promote. So you can also see here which page should I select. So you need to have a specific trip.com page, and then you can select custom link. If you're not sure with the trip.com page or product to promote, pick the landing page you provide below and proceed. So right after that one is create your affiliate link. So use the provided custom options to have and tailor the promotion scenario and create an affiliate link here. And last one is earn commission. So earn commission by sharing your affiliate links and getting bookings through it. So share it now. So don't worry guys, this website will also teach you on how to make this trip.com an affiliate. So here you can also see here custom link, trip.com homepage, so depending on you guys. And if you want to create an affiliate link, you just need to tap on that button, the blue button, create an affiliate link. So to maximize your earnings with this website, guys, follow the steps. For example, that is you need to focus on high demand travel seasons, like holidays and then summer vacations. Of course, consistency is key. Promote regularly and experiment with different strategies to see what resonates with your audiences. And this trip.com pays affiliate via bank transfer or PayPal once you've reached the minimum payout threshold. And that's it guys, you know how to make money with the trip.com affiliate program. It's a fantastic way to turn your love for travel into a source of income while helping others discover amazing deals. And of course guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, you can give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on earning money. And if you got any question, you can drop them in the comments below, because you know I love to read comments and I would love to help you. And happy earning this one guys. So here, travel, earn, inspire, subscribe for more tutorials here. So don't forget guys, this is trip.com affiliate program, and of course see you in my next video.